Here we got a 1965 Shelby Colbra 427 Ford race motor. I think that's an aluminum block in there. And you see that headers are coated white. Keep the heat in there. Got the hard tap on it. This is a window setup I got to make on the side of my little Suzuki Jeep thing. I know it's a SJ413 Jimny, whatever it is, Samurai, whatever, for the winter time. You notice the hood hold downs with key locks. Small wipers. Probably can stand to have 3 wipers on this sucker. This size, like it's a low windshield, you know. You got the race mirror. You notice, I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but its body's very sculpted. You know, it's flows good. I don't know if they wind tunneled this stuff back then as much. Maybe they just did it by eye or what. I'm not sure. That window, it's got a lot of visibility with the corners. The window coming out like in a corner, way in the corner like that. Like in other words, you're looking out from the driver's side, you can see. It's like you got almost, you don't have much of a pillar here, right? There's your filler up cap. I guess that was taken, that cue was taken later, put on the 68 Charger. Let's see what this is. Oh, here we go. Team Shelby with the American flag. 427 Colbra jet. You got the infamous popper bits holding the. I don't know if they're popper bits or not. But that's how you put a lot of stuff back together back then. You want a scoop on here? Popper with that fiberglass scoop on here. Got a hole in the hood? Popper bits. Done. Looks alright. I mean, that's how we did things back then, you know? Yeah, I mean, you could mold them in there, fiberglass and all that garbage, and weld them in, all that. Popper, done.